Welcome back to San Joaquin Audits, where we look at police interaction videos. Today's video is brought to you by the channel Baby Driver. Baby Driver usually documents his road trips across the country via dashcam. Sometimes when he becomes too tired to drive or just needs a break from the road, Baby Driver pulls over to the side of the road, as he should. Even when doing everything he's supposed to and not breaking any laws, he's still approached by police. Look how he owns these officers for wasting his time.
There's absolutely no reason for all the light.
Oh no, it's just so I can see. I just need to know if
Dear,
you're okay,
you
sir.
see I turned all the lights on in here, right?
Yes.
So you don't need that flashlight. Or that big old high beam either.
Sir, that's not your concern. I just want to make sure you're okay while you're sitting here.
It's my concern if it's in my face.
Sir, I'm just doing my job.
Thank you. Good night.
Are you need a tow or anything? Is your car broke down? Or are you just sitting here?
Would you go do your job, please?
Yeah, I am. Making sure that you're okay.
Oh, yeah.
You can just answer the question. Do you need
No. I don't need to answer any questions, my dear. Please, go. You can go. Thank you.
Having a bad night?
You're making it a bad night. Hey, listen, are you really... You don't have anything better to do than to hassle somebody and shine your light in their face?
Sir, I understand that you're having a problem with that, but...
Yeah.
I saw you sitting here, so I just needed to make sure that
My lights were on. Are my flashers on? Let's see here. There's my flashers. No, is the hood up? No, the hood ain't up. Did I flag anybody down?
It's just unusual to see someone sitting here, so that's the only reason why I stopped. I can see that you're okay, and I just wanted to verify that verbally. I just needed a yes or no, sir. That was all I needed. I didn't need to have a hard time with you. It's just unusual to see somebody sitting here at night.
You're repeating yourself.
Yeah, I am.
Will you go away now?
Sir, can you just give me yes or no?
Yes or no what?
Are you okay to drive?
You want to watch me? You want to follow for a while?
I just wanted to know why you were sitting here, sir. That was it.
Ain't none of your business, that's why. How's that?
Fine.
Okay, great. You can go now. What's going on?
Are you broken down?
Not at all.
Not at all? Everything okay?
Yeah, they were until you got here.
Well, what's wrong now that I'm here?
Gee, let me think for a minute. Here, now that you're out of the camera, let's get you in the camera here.
Do you need my help or not?
Not at all.
Not at all. Okay.
Would you get the light out of the camera, please?
No, I won't.
No, you
Do you
won't.
need any help or not?
I
What I was doing was I was stopping to make sure you're okay. And it looks like you're starting to cop an attitude with me for no reason. I'm here to try to help you. If you don't need help, I'm out of here, because obviously you don't want it.
Something I can do for you?
Yeah, sir. Just wondering if everything's okay.
Everything's fine and dandy, sir. I thank you for checking on me.
Okay. Wilson. So here's the deal, okay? We just actually had a call in the area of a girl that was getting chased. Okay, and a car came and picked her up and drove her off. Okay, no one else in here with you?
Oh no, look,
Okay.
here.
Do you live up and around here, I take it?
Well, you know, I strenuously object to playing the 20 questions game, so I'm not going to do that with you.
Okay. Do you have ID on you?
Yeah, but so what?
Okay. Would you mind if I got that?
Sure, I would.
Okay. What about giving me your name?
My name's Jay.
Jay?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Jay. My name's Deputy Gertler. I'm with the Kootenai County Sheriff's Office.
Uh-huh.
What's your last name, Jay?
Well, you know what? I just told you I don't like asking questions.
Okay.
Why don't you get your light out of my camera there?
What light? What camera?
That camera right there. Get your light out of the camera so it can see who you are.
Is that better?
I hope so.
Okay. So Jay, what's your last name? Like I said, my whole reason for
it's right here. Your whole reason for what? The
my
girl
whole
that
reason
got
for
picked
stopping
up.
is because we had a call right around here of a young lady being chased. Doesn't that concern you a little bit?
Do you see a young lady?
I don't, but I also like to know people in the area
Yeah.
of where something might have been happening. Wouldn't you like that if that was your daughter or wife, someone was chasing you, and there was a car sitting on the side of the road very close to where that was happening, darked out, facing the train tracks?
Wow, that sure is suspicious, isn't it?
It is.
Wow.
It is.
Is your life really that empty?
All right, Jay. Well, I tell you what, I'll just run your plate. I'll figure out who you are that way. All right, and you have yourself a fantastic night.
As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a thumbs up and go subscribe to Baby Driver. Let him know that San Joaquin Audit sent you. I appreciate you all. Hope you have a great day, and I'll be back with another video tomorrow. Thank you.